Hello, students. Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to our general knowledge class. Student, today we are going to learn a new lesson of general knowledge. So, student, be ready with your textbook. We will see new lesson on page number 25. So students, see on page number 25 there is lesson number 16, the continents and the oceans. So students, in geography we have already learned what is meant by continent and the oceans. But today we will see again in general knowledge. So student, first we will read paragraph that is given on page number 25. Okay students, so just open your book and pay attention. Are you ready? Okay, then let's start. We live on the earth. It is very large. About three-fourth part of our earth is covered with water, while the remaining one-fourth part is covered by land. Very large bodies of water on the earth are called ocean. Very large tract of land on the earth are called continents. So student, you can see we live on the earth. So this is our earth and it is very large. Correct? So students, on earth there are living things. There are no living things on other planet, but on earth there are living things. Correct? So earth is very large and we live on earth. So students, you can see here there are two colors, blue color and green color. Blue color indicates water and green color indicates land. So student, you can see here that is most of the part is in blue color, means about three-fourth part of our earth is covered with water and remaining one-fourth part is covered by land. Okay. So student, now we will see what is meant by ocean. Very large bodies of water on the earth are called ocean. So ocean is one of the water source. So students, there are four oceans. Let's see. These four oceans are Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean and Arctic Ocean. Okay student, see again, Pacific, Indian, Atlantic and Arctic. So here you can see that is Pacific Ocean is bigger. Okay, out of these four oceans, Pacific Ocean is the largest and the deepest ocean, and Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean. So student, we live in India. So India is surrounded by Indian Ocean. Okay student. So now we will see continents. Very large tract of land on the earth are called continents. So here you can see blue color indicates water. So water is more on the earth. And you can see colorful part, and that colorful parts are called continents. So students, now we will see how many continents are there. So students, there are 7 continents, and these 7 continents are Australia, Asia, Europe, Africa, Antarctica, South America and North America. See, there are 7 colors. Can you see? White color is there downside. That is Antarctica. Then Australia, Asia, Europe, Africa, North America and South America. So here also you can see blue color is more. It means that water is more. Three-fourth part of our earth is covered with water. And that colorful parts are the continents, means one-fourth part is covered by land. So student, can you see here? Europe and Asia, they are joining by land. Okay, but other continents, between other continents there is a ocean, means North America and South America, between them there is a water, means we have to cross seas. If you want to go in other continents, you have to cross seas. Okay student, so student, there are 7 continents. So you can see here, Australia is the smallest continent and Asia is the biggest continent. Just see the size of the continent, then you will come to know Asia is the biggest and Australia is the smallest one. So student, Asia is the biggest continent, correct? And we live in Asia. So this is the map of Asia, and there are many countries in Asia. So can you see here, India, Nepal, then left hand side Iran, Qatar, Iraq, Kazakhstan, Pakistan, then upside Russia, China, Korea, Mongolia, downside you can see Indonesia, Malaysia, Singapore, Japan. So student, these are countries which are in Asia, and that's why Asia is called as biggest continent. Okay, so Asian countries are surrounded by 2 oceans. You can see here downside there is a Indian Ocean, and at right hand side there is a Pacific Ocean. Just watch it carefully, watch the figure carefully. You can see at right hand side there is a Pacific Ocean, and below there is a Indian Ocean. So Asia continent is surrounded by ocean, that is Indian Ocean and Pacific Ocean. So Asia is the largest continent. Okay student. Now we will see exercise. So students, see on page number 25 there is one exercise. Match the column A and B by writing the correct answer from the column B. So first I will read column A. The largest continent, the largest ocean, the smallest continent, the smallest ocean. And in column B, there are 4 answers: Arctic, Australia, Asia, and Pacific. So, student, it is very easy. We will solve it. The largest continent. So, which is the largest continent? Yes, correct. Asia. In column B, third answer, Asia. So that you have to write in middle part. Then largest ocean. Answer is Pacific. Pacific is the largest ocean. The smallest continent. Answer is Australia. Australia is the smallest continent. And last one is smallest ocean. And the smallest ocean is Arctic. That is in column B, first word, Arctic. So students, you have to write answer. It is very easy. So student, did you understand? Okay student. So complete this exercise on page number 25. This is your today's homework. Okay. Just write down answers. Write down spelling properly. So students, now we will revise the full lesson. What we learned, that is Earth is the very big, it is very large, and we live on Earth. And about 3/4 part of our Earth is covered with water, and that is called ocean. So there are 4 oceans: Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, and Arctic Ocean. So Pacific Ocean is the largest and deepest, and Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean. Correct student? So students, afterward we learned 7 continents. So Asia is the biggest continent. and Australia is the smallest one. And remaining continents are North America, South America, Europe, Africa, and Antarctica. Okay, students, thank you.